If you spend more time slouching at your desk than sleeping in your bed, your posture is probably a disaster. This daily habit causes chronic back pain, neck strain, and completely drains your energy. But make one of these 10 common mistakes, and your desk job goes from a career to a health hazard. Let's fix that. Mistake number 1, the nerd neck. Jutting your head forward toward the screen puts massive pressure on your cervical spine. Instead, keep your ears aligned directly over your shoulders and tuck your chin slightly back. Mistake number 2, the banana spine. Slouching so low your lower back rounds completely out kills your spine's natural curve. Instead, sit all the way back in your chair so the lumbar support actually does its job. Mistake number 3, crossing your legs. It feels natural, but it twists your pelvis and forces your spine out of alignment over time. Instead, keep both feet flat on the floor with your weight distributed equally. Mistake number 4, hovering elbows. Typing with your arms reaching forward with no support completely fries your upper traps. Instead, rest your elbows at a 90-degree angle on your armrests or the desk. Mistake number 5, looking down at laptops. Staring downward turns your neck into a crane holding up a bowling ball. Instead, prop your laptop up on books or a stand so your eyes align with the top third of the screen. Mistake number 6, tiptoe sitting. Having your chair too high cuts off circulation to your legs and strains your lower back. Instead, lower your seat or use a footrest so your thighs sit parallel to the floor. Mistake number 7, the keyboard reach. Pushing your keyboard too far away forces your whole torso to hunch forward. Instead, pull the keyboard and mouse close enough that your elbows stay tucked by your sides. Mistake number 8, sitting on your wallet. Keeping a thick wallet or phone in your back pocket tilts your pelvis and guarantees sciatica. Instead, empty your back pockets before you sit down. Mistake number 9, holding your breath. Slouching compresses your lungs, leading to shallow chest breathing that leaves you fatigued. Instead, sit up, breathe deep into your belly, and let the oxygen actually wake your brain up. Mistake number 10, statue mode. Sitting perfectly still for hours without moving. The human body wasn't built to be frozen in place. Instead, stand up, stretch, or walk around for just 60 seconds every single hour. Fix these 10 things today, and your back will thank you tomorrow. Now tell me in the comments, which one of these mistakes are you making right now?